Okay, is it all blurry?
I've seriously done it 4 times.
Okay, so we are going to sneeze with our eyes open. Okay?
This will be my 5th time doing it.
This will be my
second?
No, it was my 3rd because I did it in there.
Oh.
Alright, here we go.
That was legitimate. Do I have to do this again?
Yeah.
I just did it like 2 seconds ago.
Eat it!
He's a freaking maze.
He's annoying.
Old B.
Old vase. It's like only
Let's make an accent video.
It's only this.
I've only done this side.
It only works on my left side. It better work.
Makes my nose itch really bad.
Why do you have to do this?
Just for the fun of it.
Oh no. Looks like you're picking your nose.
I'm not. I'm trying to tease. Ethan, stop.
It'd be so funny.
I'm getting a headache. I'm doing it.
I need a new thing.
Even stop. I can tell because of the wind. That blows on me.
Oh, that hurts.
Oh, it's not working. Move it. Dog, go. I say in the head, dog, go. Easy. Oh, black belt.
I like close my eyes and then open them when I sneeze. I did it.
I do it. There ain't no way you're gonna be able to get it. Whoa.
You're the pink eye. Alright, we did it. Bye.